for the best Filipino group artist based abroad.
It's Sounds of Manila from New York. I think they have a representative here.
Yeah. Sounds of Manila. I think they have a video. Okay, so let's roll the video.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. My name is Suzanne.
My name is Edby.
I'm Ronnie. I'm JR.
I'm Marla.
I'm Neil.
I'm Paolo. I'm Christian. I'm Kyle.
Our bandmate Jason is currently in the Philippines, and we are
The Sounds of Manila from New Jersey, USA. Sa pong malaking karangalan para sa aming grupo na matanggap ang Aliw Awards nomination and the award for Best Group Filipino Artist Based Abroad.
Nagpapasalamat din po kami sa Aliw Awards Foundation Incorporated, lalo-lalo na kay Ms. Alice Hernandez Reyes, Bernie Reyes, and Yasmin Assad sa pagsuporta sa aming mission to preserve and promote OPM abroad.
Abangan niyo po kami next year sa aming homecoming concert sa Manila, and please support SOM Music on all music streaming platforms.
Thank you, Aliw Awards from Sounds of Manila.
Congratulations, Sounds of Manila.